We're not making this up, guys.
That's been the
Check
story
this,
so far.
Yeah. Navarrete, paano mapapatawid? Wow, check that out. Nicely done. Force follow the cue ball. He needs some love.
Fantastic shot
Great
coming
shot.
from Eric Navarrete.
And just like that, talaga, Jay, 5, ipapalusot na lang ba sa pagitan? Ande, talagang they needed to push that object ball para simplified na lang at hindi na nila masyadong iisipin.
No.
Pero wow, ito,
Doon nila kukunin
nice.
sa kabila.
Palakpakan mga tao dito. Great shot, great placement from the captain.
And that cue ball will not go anywhere anymore.
That is right.
Ah, hindi. Pinapasyal pa.
De, kumbaga sa side na to, hindi na pupunta sa kabila. So, looking good na to, Jay. Hill is about to happen. 2 balls remaining.
Ilabas mo pa lahat ng S2S. Ilabas mo pa lahat ng it's looking good. Ilabas mo na lahat ng mga quote-unquote banned words natin dito. This is gonna go the hill.
That's
Hill
right.
battle to.
Nothing is stopping these guys. 12 all.